You must be curious. You must be open to other people's ideas. You must be open to alternative ways of thinking. Now, it is a precondition of being open, is that you have to be tolerant. If you are open and if you are not tolerant, then this openness has no meaning. তোমার যেমন মুক্ত চিন্তা তোমাকে আনতে হবে, তোমাকে অন্যের মতাদর্শের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধাশীল হতে হবে. And this is a fundamental issue that you must inculcate in your mind. Tolerance. Now, I would like to touch on a very sensitive issue here. We are very proud of our culture. We are proud to be Bengalis. We are proud of our culture. But please remember that just as we are proud of our culture, a Japanese is proud of his or her own culture. So is a Nigerian, so is a Vietnamese, Chinese, American. So if you are going to be proud about your culture, it is a precondition that you accept the pride of other people about their own culture. Because if you don't, if you are proud Bengali, but you are always looking down upon other people, do not forget that those people will look down upon you and your culture.